Well, I'm posting a follow-up video. It's just been about 2 hours and I'm back here on the GitHub status page, and I'll zoom in a little bit here. It does say all systems operational. Boy, that was pretty scary. I was trying to use it for some project work and it just was not working. And if you saw my other video where it said GitHub is down, it definitely was having a lot of problems. And so we can go into incident history here and click on that and show all 15 incidents. And this was the main one here. Incident with actions, API requests, code scanning, code spaces, green, issues, orgs, packages, pages, pull requests, repos, repositories, teams, and webhooks. Then we can scroll down a little bit here and see the incident report, and it says resolved 36 minutes ago, 5:02 UTC time on February 18th. And so it looks like things came online at different times. Starting about an hour ago, although I was still having some issues, but I'm glad to see that everything seems to be working again. I know there's millions and millions of people and companies that depend on GitHub, and it's a totally awesome platform. I absolutely love it, but when something like this happens, it is just scary and kind of stops you from doing work. So a few other things you can check is the Twitter feed. That's twitter.com/GitHubStatus. Or of course you can go to the GitHub main page, although I didn't show that in my video. I imagine they had mentioned a message or something. And so you can also subscribe to updates in the future if you want to be notified by email, SMS, and other ways here. You can just click on it, put in your email address, and subscribe. So I just wanted to make a follow-up video. I will be keeping an eye on this tonight and tomorrow just to see if there's any other issues. I hope they mention somewhere what actually happened. I just can't imagine how so many services could be down for that long with millions of people trying to access it. Well, hopefully everything will be running smoothly and we don't have to worry about this again for a long time. If you go to the end of the list and then scroll upwards, you can see there were quite a few different updates and actions and messages being posted here about degraded performance, degraded availability, and then things started to operate normally. So anyway, this is a great page to take a look at. That's githubstatus.com, or subscribe to updates, or go to Twitter. So anyway, I'll talk to you later in another video.
If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.